Hi, welcome back. This is Venkat. As we said in the previous video, I have shown you how to create a ping jar, like ping operation, how we can do a ping operation using Python 90k enter and display it on the window. So in this video, we are going to continue with the rest of the part, that is how to get the name resolution or DNS lookup. DNS name, DNS resolution, name lookup, NS lookup. So to get the host name of the an IP address of an host, we need to use name resolution technique. So to do that, let's start coding it and see how this works. As always, we create a function on the name of name resolve, and then we start to write the logic for that. So let's create function definition define def resolve. So we are going to use some of the same coding structure from the ping, which is save the input data as a variable format and then create a text file to store that and then read the text file from that. And if we get the match, and we have to use the match in a group we need to extract the match in a group format, just same as this. So I'm going to save it. After that, so here I'm going to use a library name socket to get the result. The reason I'm using socket is much flexible and user readable. Yeah, it is very easy to use, and it does give the output in the user friendly way. Like it only gives you the exact name once it finds the host name, or it gives the exact result what we exactly need it. So that's the reason why I'm using socket. So here let's say IP match, so ns lookup equals socket dot, and in the socket we have different attributes of the uh, different attributes to get the result. So I'm using get fqdn is the attribute that I need to get the result, and here we give IP address. That is it. So this is the simple way to get the name resolution using socket. So just socket dot get fqdn, and so to get the fqdn we need the input. So that is, we have the input we are giving is IP address, which we found it in the match from the input given data. So after once it gets the data, so we have to print it. So if ns lookup equals, sorry, not equals 0, which is it should not be empty. Put text box dot insert, and ns lookup plus slash, and the reason I'm using slash and is to go to the next line once it finished printing the result. And else pass. So this is it. I did save it, and let's see, let's run the code. Okay, it's a name resolve is not defined, so maybe I did not use the right function. Okay, name resolve. Okay, I did. Okay, name resolve ping button. So I have already created a new button with the name resolve. So the position what I gave was 250. So again, let us run it. Okay, so we have to, so I'm checking it. Okay, I gave the Google DNS IP address. I can ping it. Okay, insert character argument. Okay, it's a, where is the error? Okay, okay, it says this is what it is. So here we have to make it as a string format. If you see this, this is what it is giving the error. So let's make this, where is the function? Okay, 8.8.8 ping. Okay, something is going on wrong over here. What is that? Oh, okay. I made it. I made the n has a string, which is not. You're not supposed to make the n has a string, because I explain you how why do we use n, because to start the new line with the uh, to start the line next line with the where the empty space result starts. Ping. Okay. So you get it now. So if you see, you get the result of the, you only just get the FQ, fully qualified domain name, on the output box. This is what exactly what we need. But to make it look very clean, and if you want to copy the output result into a spreadsheet and split the columns, so to make it that, I will just make it very simple. So where is this name resolution ns lookup? So here I'm going to add IP plus string. So here space save, run. Okay, 8.8.4.4 ping. Here you go. So now if you see, you get the name of the host name, host name of the IP address. So this is what we are trying to achieve in this application. So and we did it. So if you want to try with all the as per my instructions, like add bunch of list of, like add 100 IP addresses, and just click ping and it should give the result. And if you want the name, hit the name and it should give the name. And if you think that the boxes are little, and if you see the my output box is passing the result to the next line. So just to make it very clear, to increase the size, we will I will increase the size of the output box right away. So why do we need, okay, what is width? So I want to make my output box width as 55. Run. So now it should give me a nice result without any parsing. Okay, so now it does look good. So it has enough space. So you can play with the graphics, the display options, whatever fits for you. Like I'll fix this button and the color, and make it very good and clean. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to wrap it up and pack it and make a .x file and the .tz file, like PNG file, I guess, whatever the Mac OS takes it. So I'm going to show you these two operating systems creation of the standalone application. So in the next video, we will create the full standalone application with the simple operations. So in the next series, I'm going to start the same. I'll show you how to make the same application using the web services. so you don't have to install every time on every PC. You don't have to install on every PC if you want to use the application. So about the the benefit of the web service. So you can deploy that on any remote server, and then go to the URL and use it. If you want to change the colors of the output or anything, I shown you how to do that. You can do it. If you want, ask me. I'll do it again. I will show you which one, what you need. So you can ask me, and I will create a video and show you how to do that. So, and if you see there are limitations of this for this application, and please, if you find what's the limitations of this application, if you find them, please comment them, and I'll appreciate that. And if you find the solution, let me know. If not, you can ask me, and I will show you them how to minimize those limitations, and make this application as much flexible as we can. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.